Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, so if you're here, you probably have the bad CMOS battery error. So every time you turn your Dreamcast on, it asks you what the date is and the time. And what that is that you have a rechargeable battery in your machine, your Dreamcast, that went dead. It just doesn't work anymore. Needs to be replaced. So that's what today's video is about. So if this is what you see every time you turn on your console, then your CMOS battery is bad. So unfortunately, you got to change that out. And that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, you guys were here when I broke down and cleaned up a Dreamcast. Did a little bit of maintenance. Well, come to find out, that very same Dreamcast, the CMOS battery is no good. It's a rechargeable battery, but it's not your regular pop in, pop out. It's soldered in. So I've never actually took a Dreamcast apart before, so this is a first for me. So I'm going to give this a shot. And like I can't even get the 56K modem out, but I'm going to change the battery. But anyways, there should be 4, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so now your most just basic house Phillips screwdriver. I think it's a number 2 or whatever. We'll get these screws out. I have a nice set that I like to use. And I probably am going to pull it out, but you can't use them on the deep plastic wells right here. They will not go in there. But they made it nice and easy, looks like. Just 4 screws. That sounds like a blessing in disguise right there. Let's see if we can't get these out. There we go. 1, 2, and this one's going to be a pain. Got it. And 3. Let's get a card over here for our screws so we don't lose nothing. Alright. So I'm not sure if the top comes off or the bottom. Probably the top. Nice. And if there was a disc in it, just, bonus. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, overall, this thing is really clean. Wow. Super surprised. It looks great. So now we have to get this section out, because this is the battery that has gone bad. So what screws? I see that it's connected here. So try. Thing was in there. There's your fan. So that's released. The board should come out pretty easy. Looks like, oh, we got this here. So this is just a pull. A little rock. There we go. Beautiful. Alright. So far so good, guys. I'm going to try using the small one here. But I don't know. Like I said, I've never took one of these apart before. Let's see. Well, it's still in there pretty good. It's just weird. Well, it looks like it's going to come out. Is that it? Okay, sweet. Okay, so far so good. Let's hope we can get it out of here. Oh boy. Let's see. It does have... Okay, there we go. Well, that wasn't so bad. Heard a lot of people complain about that. That was not that difficult. Alright. Let's get this out of the way. So, we get to do the thing that I'm not really that great at all. But yay, we're doing it. And by that I mean soldering. Alright, so let's see. This is the battery right here. I have a replacement right here that I bought from, I'm not even sure at this point where it came from. But here we go. So the most important thing is the battery, really. Yeah, it says, let me see, I hope you can see this. Oh, you're not going to be able to see it. But anyways, right here it says rechargeable battery. And that's the most important part. It has to be rechargeable. I mean, it has to be the right one too. And 3.6 volt. This one says LIR 2032. So that's what goes on this one. Plus. And there you go. So, and real simple. 3 prongs. Can't really put it in backwards or mess up at all, really. So I don't know, hopefully hopefully I can do it without messing up at all. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so now I've got to turn on the hot iron. Alright, so shooey. I'm nervous, guys. I'm not really good at soldering at all. Don't like doing it. This is actually great because I can clamp this. Doesn't hurt it at all on this type of board. So let's give it a shot. I got one of these desoldering tools. So first we'll give her a wipe. Let's see, I think we got to tune it to about, perfect. Let's see, we need to clean with some alcohol. Clean the area we're going to work on, which is the area that looks the dirtiest, actually. That worked Pick the worst method of doing this. Alcohol pads are not my favorite. They do the job. Alright. Looking clean. Now that we got it looking clean, let's add a little solder, just to activate the joint. To wake it up a bit. Alright. And hopefully we can get it off of here. Loosen it up. Nice. Missed. That's coming out pretty nice, actually. It's taking me a few tries, but it's happening. Okay. So I know that we're not done, but let me see what we've accomplished here. Okay. It's not ready to come out, but it is not bad. Let's see if we can give it a little heat. There we go. There we go. So out they go. Had to be a little more aggressive than I wanted to be. We gotta put that back in. And they got it set up to where you can't, it's idiot proof, you can't put it in backwards or whatever. Thank goodness. So let's see. There we go. How big? It looks like it grabbed it right at the base there. Oh, that's real nice. Me likey that. So, go ahead and get this fixed. All right. So just a little heat, a little tap of solder, and that's all we should have to do. Let's check it out here. Area hot. Get that old solder hot. Get your bubble on there. Oh yeah. One more, guys. All right, get it hot. bubble. And that is us. Beautiful. So we are doing good. Looking nice. Guys, I'm not a professional with soldering iron or an ironing kit station or whatever, but looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna clean it up one more time. Think we got it. Let's give it a rub down. And you know, I didn't use flux or nothing. Just try to leave as much of the old solder as possible. That way I'd have something to work with. And just a dab of new solder on each one. Very nice, very nice. Alright, so what's so great about this is, you know, later on, I mean, you know, it's going to go dead. So now you can just change the battery. Very simple. So just remember the plus side here, plus side here. There you go. That's it. Alright, let's finish up the job. Put it back together. Alright, so got our battery back in. Let's put it back into the Dreamcast. Alright, I've never done this, so I'm thinking this ribbon could be a pain in the you know what. So okay. I think that's it. There. All right. So let's put our 4 screws back in. And if you don't know, sometimes it's nice to back up the screw a bit before you start. That way you get that nice start point. Don't go in crooked. Goes in nice and smooth. So that looks pretty good. Nice and easy. And here's the top. I'm going to pop the top open just so I can see as it goes on. Alright. That felt nice. No resistance anywhere. Love that. So, alright, let's finish it up. 4 more screws. Like I said, I do not like messing with the soldering iron or any hot iron or anything like that. It's just why I never really got into it till just recently. I wish I would have, you know, did a lot more work with it when I was younger, because it would have been worth it. So, okay, we got all 4 of our screws in. Let's see, how's this thing go? Yeah. Okay. So here we go. Looks like the next thing to do is to hook it up and see if the battery's doing its job. Let's go take a look. Alright, we're back. We got it hooked up, booted up just fine. Everything loud as always. We got our first screen. 223.23. Whoa. 23, and it is 3. And we'll power it back up. Let's see if it asks for that battery. All right, it did not ask for the date. That's great news. Did not ask for the date, didn't ask for the time. Everything stayed in play here. That's great news. All right, let's make sure it plays. And as you see, it works beautifully. So, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you checking out this video. You know, every little bit helps. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you guys learned something. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day.